Ready? 1, 2, 3. So it is Rami's birthday. My goodness, Rami, 70th birthday. So now it is time for us to wish you,
A very, very, very happy birthday.
right? So how does it go, Kiki?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rami. Happy birthday to you. You're welcome to the zoo. You're welcome to the zoo. With the lions and monkeys and tigers like you. Loads of love, many, many more years to come. Good health, harmony, peace, tons and tons of hugs and love, okay?
Love you, little sister. You take care. Bye. And now from Pompano Beach, we sign off. Bye.
Bye.
Hello Rami. So this is your 70th birthday. A very happy birthday to my dear sister. Stay blessed, stay happy always, and cherish every moment of this special day with your lovely family. Many, many congratulations to Tejveer, Manu, Ruchi, Harsh. Love you all. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Rami.
Happy birthday, Rami. Happy birthday, Rami auntie. It's been forever, ages that I've seen you and I've met you, but you're always in our mind and thoughts. Wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. It's a milestone birthday. Wishing you happiness, good health, and lots of love from all of us. And here's a cake as well, which we decided to present to you virtually. Happy birthday, auntie.
Birthday.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुझे हजारों साल तेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, birthday to you. Happy birthday, auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 70th birthday, Auntie.
Happy 7th birthday, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Wish you lots of happiness, good health, and it's a big, big milestone. And hope you enjoy the life that you've enjoyed till now. Wish you good health, and there's a little happy birthday song from us. Come on, Kiara, cut the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Auntie. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. Happy birthday to you, Auntie. Happy birthday to you. Take out a little piece for Auntie. Carefully, Clara. And should give me. And open your mouth, Auntie. That's for you.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very
Happy birthday, dear Rami, on this very special birthday. Wish you a really happy and wonderful day with your family around you. Nothing makes one happier. I'd love to recall, I would take this opportunity to recall the wonderful times we've had in the past, especially our meetings, though they were very rare, and get-togethers at, some restaurant or the other. Let's hope we can start it off again soon. Wish you many more happy and healthy years ahead.
Hi Rami Di, happy 70th birthday. Can't believe it's your 70th, but I'm sure you're still very young at heart. By the way, आप मेरे thoughts में बहुत आते हो. It's been a long time we've not met, but झूमर से अक्सर आपके बारे में बात हो जाती है. and really miss you. I hope you're having a great time, and I'm sure 70 is just a number. You're still very young at heart. Love you, Ramidi.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Ramidi. How are you? Ramidi, when I record this message, I just remember the days that we've spent together. Beautiful days, beautiful memories with you. You were always the one who was standing next to me, supporting me. I remember when I was getting married, when the mehendi was being put, you were there for me always, always and always, supported like a mother always. Just getting emotional. Care anyways, Ramidi. Love you loads, loads and loads. And Ramidi, 70 is just an awesome number for an awesome person like you. Love you loads. Wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of love and hugs, Jhumar. Take care. Stay fit. Stay healthy. Love you loads.
Hi Rami ma'am. A very, very happy birthday to you. You have been my colleague and it's a pleasure to work with you. In the beginning, when I saw you in the school, it was a little embarrassing for me because you had been my teacher and now I'll be sharing the same level with you. So, and I think it got tougher for me because I had to really match the standard that you were providing to the kids and had to come up to that level. So I really had to work hard for that. But it was a pleasure being in the same school as you were. And here's a little thing that I have prepared for you for your 70th birthday. Hope you like it.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Ramidi. What to say about you, Ramidi? You are an amazing person, a true friend, a full dictionary, Ramidi. जब भी हम लोग को कोई प्रॉब्लम होती थी स्कूल में, हम लोग दौड़ के आपके पास आते थे, याद है रमीदी? एंड आपके बारे में बोलना शुरू करूँगी रमीदी तो शाम हो जाएगी, है ना? और कितनी चीज़ें याद करती हूँ आपके बारे में रमीदी. जब मेरी शादी नहीं हुई थी तब हम आप साथ साथ रिक्शे पे भी आते थे और इतनी मस्ती करते थे, इतनी बातें रमीदी, कितनी सारी. आई हैव लॉट एंड लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज अबाउट यू, स्कूल की, घर की, इतनी सारी मेमोरीज रमीदी. लव यू अ लॉट. गॉड ब्लेस यू रमीदी. सी समवन वांट्स टू विश यू.
Hello ma'am, happy birthday, have a great day ma'am.
Hello Rami ma'am, happy birthday and have a very great day. And yeah.
Very happy birthday, Rami Dadi. May all your dreams come true. Stay healthy. Bye bye. Happy birthday, Choti Dadi. Enjoy your day.
Hi auntie. Pehchana Swapnil. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Lots of love, hugs, and a very good health for you. Take care. Love, love.
Hi, Sat Shri Akal, Rami Masi, and wishing you a very happy birthday. And congratulations to everyone in the family. और बाकी आपके लिए यही कह सकते हैं कि आप जियो हज़ारों साल, यही हमारी आरज़ू. So all the best and wishing you all the health. Enjoy your day and have a blast. Good night, take care, Shabba khair.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday and may all your dreams come true. Wish you a very good luck, good health and great time in the future. Wishing you a very, very happy 70th birthday. Another milestone achieved and many more to come. Goodbye, Mom.